watching Fit by 5. So today our 5 exercises for our workout are actually going to be coming from an ancient workout called the 5 Tibetans. These 5 exercises claim to be anti-aging, giving you a supple and flexible body, a clear mind, and they stimulate the 7 energy centers in your body known as the chakras. So we do this once through and you aim for the full 21 repetitions of each exercise. So watch this, watch me do the full workout and then I'll break it down for you. Okay, so let's go over the 5 rites to the 5 Tibetans. So the first rite is a spin. You're going to do 21 spins in a clockwise direction. So for me, I'm going to my right, so it might look a bit backwards for you. So you want to go at your own pace as well, okay? So if 21 spins you get too dizzy, you do as many as you can and then go on to the next exercise, okay? So you're just going to spin around 21 times. After 21, I turn my hands up and bring them down into my center here to center myself before I move on. And then you move on to rite number 2. Rite number 2, you have leg raises. Now it's really important on the breathing on these exercises. You want to inhale as you come up and exhale as you lower down. So this is a little bit different breathing technique than what we're used to. So from here, lying down, you actually breathe in as you lift your legs up and you crunch up as well. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? All the way up to 21. And you can move on to rite number 3, which is a sort of camel position here, onto your knees, hands on the backs of your thighs here. So each time you lift up and you open up your heart and your chest, you breathe in. So breathe in, you go 1, and back, exhale. In, and out. So just extending your back, looking up and down. After 21 ups, we move on to rite number 4. You come back to a seated position here, legs extended, and hands at your sides here. We're going to come to a sort of like a tabletop position. So you're going to lift up and breathe in. Exhale and sit back. Breathe in, open up your chest, right back, and breathe out, okay? So breathe in and out. So this is, I'm sure once you do this, you'll see that it's actually quite challenging. It takes a lot of full body strength. And as you move on to your 5th exercise, here the 5th rite is the up and down dog. So you start in just a downward dog position here. As you move into this sort of cobra-like position here, you breathe in. And then breathe out as you push back to down dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. And out. All the way up to 20 repetitions. You can hold here then and just stretch out your back and then come up. So because we're doing 5x5, these are your 5 exercises for the 5 Tibetans. There sometimes are some breathing techniques that you can do at the end to make this a more intense workout, so you can find all that information by searching more on the 5 Tibetans. So have a go at this, and let's see some anti-aging results. This is perfect